So close. Like 2 hours left. And we could drop this truck off. But for now, I gotta keep working. All right, it is 4:26. We're over here in Pelham, and I'm getting close to MTW in the truck. We are gonna drop it off. I'm excited. I've been told by Jason that you have no freaking clue how tall this is gonna be. He said, like, I don't even know what it is, but when you lift these trucks, it's like they grow, I don't know, bigger than what the lift says. So obviously that's going to be a figurative statement because 7 inches is 7 inches. That's what she said. But still, I'm excited to see how tall it's going to be. And I really need to get some steps. But the biggest problem is spacers. We ordered some spacers for the lift, 2-inch spacers, because I'm running my stock wheels. And until I get new, let's see what this guy's doing. Police officer sitting back there. Until I get new wheels and tires, I'm going to run my stock wheels on the 37s, and the stock wheels will not clear the, come on, let's go. They won't clear the spindle on the lift kit. Oh God, look at that sunset. Man, how good looking is that? Beautiful day here in Alabama. All right, anyway. So they won't clear the spindle, so I have to run spacers until I get aftermarket wheels. I ordered spacers last Friday. They showed shipped last Friday. Actually, I ordered them Wednesday. They showed shipped Friday. They show picked up and accepted, package received or whatever on USPS. And I ordered them, the shipping was priority mail, which is 2 to 3 days guaranteed in the United States. And here we are Tuesday afternoon, and the tracking has not updated at all, and I haven't received my spacers yet. So I don't know what we're gonna do about that. Jason doesn't have any spacers in stock right now, so I can't do that. I guess he might have some temporary wheels that he can put on just to get it off his lift, but he told me to go ahead and send it. So we're gonna keep moving forward as planned, and we'll just deal with anything that comes up as it comes. We're getting close. We got about a quarter mile, and then we're gonna turn in. All right, here we go. MTW taking over the world. We got 2 shops now. All right, I guess I'm gonna park over here. I think that's Jason's truck. Good looking C10. See what this car's gonna do. Oh, she's dropping off a UPS package. All right. God, I thought that was me scraping. All right, here we go. Do one last quick walk around, a little before shot. Can't imagine. All right, here we go. So, door handle. It's a weird spot to measure, but the door handle's up to my nipple. It's the first thing to touch. All right, let's go inside. Where you going, Jason?
Yes, I do.
I gotta tell the people. I gotta tell the people who they need to come see. Here, I'm gonna give you the keys. What is that? Oh, it's the lock buttons. I've never seen it like that. I've always seen it padded or like a button.
This is a lifted Explorer.
All right, homie. I'll see you. Holler.
If those spacers come, just call me.
Okay. Yo, can anybody tell me what tomorrow is?
Christmas Eve.
What? You're a hot mess. What's tomorrow?
Mommy gets a puppy tomorrow.
No, what's tomorrow?
Mommy gets a puppy.
No, what's... Yes, it is my dentist tomorrow. What's tomorrow? What's the importance of tomorrow?
I don't know.
What's the importance of tomorrow, Leaman?
The day before you get your truck.
You got it on the buzzer. Ding, 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 ding.
Why is that an important day the day before?
Because it's one less day.
That's
Leaman,
like,
hey, Leaman, respect.
what's tomorrow?
You know all about it.
Put in another book.
Day before Christmas.
On a side note, we did get one package in the mail. Actually, I think it came last night. Just now getting time to look at it. Let me clean this shelf off real quick. So we got that in the mail. So we got this in the mail. It is our switch kit that I ordered for the LED pods from Last Fit over here. And I told you I wanted to do something a little more clean. And so I got this rocker panel, and this is going to go under my knee panel, like under the steering wheel. And so it's pre-wired, and you're just going to hook your outputs there to the empty terminals. And then you just feed this with 12 volts. And you can see over here, I got my 12 volt tester. Let's see here. If I can do this. Put 12 volts to it. And we got lights all the time on the bottoms. And then when you flip a switch up, you get the main light that'll come on. So you'll be able to see. There you go. You'll be able to see what you have on. Pretty cool. And real low profile. And it just, everything matches is the main thing. So I don't have to worry about a bunch of different kind of switches that come with each different kind of light. And then it comes with these little stick-on pads here. And I just threw some on there just to show you. But it comes with all these different options of stick-on pads. So you can label your lights. And then it comes with some other ones here that go over the lenses. So, pretty cool. Unfortunately, I can't install that because my truck's at the shop still. So, it's Wednesday night, and they should start. They were going to do the lift today, but because of the spacer issue, they can't really finish it, and so they don't want to tie up their lift with it just sitting there without front wheels on it. So they're going to put the lift on tomorrow, and then Friday I'll bring them the spacers as soon as they come in. They should be able to get it off, get the wheels back on, get it aligned, and get it back to me Friday. So look out this weekend. We're going to have a second video of the actual lift install and what it looks like and stuff. It's pretty much going to look like this. Just like that, but on a truck and a lot taller and bigger wheels and tires. But anyway, stay tuned. That's coming. We'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good night.